What makes Gocious' roadmaps unique compared to everyone else? Our roadmaps primarily focus on setting strategy for your organization, rather than tracking all the work that needs to be done. That's why we don't start with Gantt charts. At the portfolio level, we offer a range of roadmaps to bring transparency and alignment to your organization. Our plan roadmap shows the portfolio strategy, visualizing things like what stage in the development process your plans are at, which key new features are being realized, and how much of the strategy has been approved. The financial roadmap allows users to convey the value the portfolio strategy will bring to the organization by showing what it's predicting it'll deliver versus what it'll cost. You can roll up your product lines to see what each product category is going to deliver and keep going all the way up the whole portfolio. Say you need to present a 5-year strategy with a year-on-year breakdown. Simply pick year as the base interval and a 5-year roll-up. There you have it. If your organization is using a modular product architecture, then we've got you there as well. Our feature implementation roadmap shows you what features are being used by which product lines across the portfolio. You can control the availability of these features and quickly see whether there's a problem or not. With Gocious' extensive roadmap filters, asking questions and getting answers is a button click away. For example, if I want to see all the plans that are contributing to the KPI of reducing waste or clear transportation, I can quickly find that. We like addressing the difficult questions. Are there any gaps that need addressing? How's the execution of my plan going? Or what does the roadmap look like for certain teams within my organization? Take control of your portfolio strategy today with Gocious.